Today we will learn some of the sentences that we use all the time. We need to know these in order to learn English. These sentences are very simple, perfect for those who are starting new English. Today I will give some basic sentences. It will be very useful when you speak English. I was not there. I was not there. I was at home. It was hot yesterday. It was hot yesterday. I didn't finish eating. I didn't finish eating. I haven't had lunch yet. I haven't had lunch yet. I like Italian food. I like Italian food. I like to watch TV. I like to watch TV. Give me the watch. Give me the watch. Here we learn two things. Watch means looking and watch means a small clock. It has to be remembered. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. I lost my watch. I lost my watch. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. It's a common mistake. It's a common mistake. I made this cake. I made this cake. The news made me happy. The news made me happy. I need your advice. I need your advice. I need some money. I need some money. I need to go home. I need to go home. I need to go now. I need to go now. I need to practice my English. I need to practice my English. I still need to buy a lot of things. I still need to buy a lot of things. I want to eat something light. I want to eat something light. I want to buy something. I want to buy something. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. I have not decided yet. I have not decided yet. I think he said something else. I think he said something else. I would like a non-smoking room. I would like a non-smoking room. These sentences are always very useful everywhere we go. So try to keep these in mind. These will help you to speak English fluently.